one of the biggest topics, one of the biggest kind of things that you talk about in your podcast is health. And I know you have done a lot of changes in your lifestyle as well. Like I know you were a smoker for how many years?
More than 10. I
More than
smoked for
10,
more than 10 years, yeah.
10 years. And then you quit. When did you quit?
3 years ago.
3 years
Three
ago.
years and 1 month ago, I quit smoking.
Oh, I thought it was sooner. Okay, I just maybe don't remember. So after 10 years of smoking and then quitting, like what were the main changes that you kind of felt in your organism or maybe in your appearance, let's say even?
There are a lot of things that are changing. How you breathe, how you sleep, how you eat, the quality of your skin.
Mm,
Because long time smokers have like very bad skin. You can see
yeah,
someone and see that and understand that he or she's
is a smoker or not?
yeah. It's it. There are a lot of bad side effects of smoking. I tried to quit like maybe 4 or 5 times before I finally quit.
It was
And a couple of days ago, I was listening to some podcast, and the guest who was like scientist were saying that in average people are quitting 7 times
before
before
really quitting.
really quitting. Yeah,
But what was the difference like when you quit the fifth time? I mean, what was different?
I don't know. I decided that I don't really want to smoke anymore. Like I really decided that I don't want to smoke anymore, and I will
Yeah.
do anything to not smoke again. And in the beginning, you only think about smoking. Then after some time is passed, you start to think about smoking maybe 10 times a day. Then after like half year, you think about smoking once a day. After 1 year, you think about smoking like once a month.
Yeah.
And now after 3 years, I think about smoking maybe every half year.
So you're still thinking about?
Yeah. And when you think about smoking, you now understand the pattern. And if you know that if you will not smoke now, that feeling will not come back for at least 1 year. So that's why you will not sacrifice the thing. It's that thinking that way. It's easy.
Damn, that's the demon.
Yeah, it's like you
Totally
as
different.
is you know what Lindy effect. As long you quit smoking, if you are not smoking for 4 years, the chances that you will not smoke another 4 years are
It's
extremely
much
high.
higher.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like think about that. As long as you don't
Yeah.
smoke, it will become easier to not smoke again.
Yeah, I also have this theory that because like the biggest notion about smoking is about health, let's say, but I think it's much deeper than that. I think it's more a mentality
Yeah,
question,
it's
more about
psychology.
discipline question because I have this theory that non-smokers, I mean, smokers are lazier than non-smokers, let's say,
Why?
because I've just noticed for myself that smokers have some discipline problems because when you
It's not about discipline. It's about habits.
yeah, not just the habit, because as a non-smoker, let's say, I have noticed that I could work much longer, much better, and without any pauses, let's say. But when someone just can't, I don't know, work without thinking every like 15 minutes that he's gonna smoke now and then go have a pause. And I think just having a cigarette and then coming back and continuing your work is not gonna be the same. I
Yeah,
don't
you're
know.
losing your focus.
Yeah, you're
It can
losing
be
your
true
focus.
because it's a habit, and you have to smoke, for example, every 1 hour. Like others do TikTok every hour or every 15 minutes,
Yeah,
or
that's a different type of addiction. Yeah, but
some people snack. For example, they eat something.
yeah.
So it's I think it's a matter of habits and how you can change your habits and how you
Mm.
can form new habits. There are a lot of good books about this.
How to quit smoking.
Not how to quit smoking, how to change your habits and bad
Oh yeah,
habits
yeah,
with good
yeah.
ones. So I
Yeah,
don't
I've
know
also
atomic habits
yeah,
and also power of habits. There's a very interesting book called
yeah.
Power of Habits, where the author explains how habit formation works and how you can change your bad habits with good ones.
You think that notion that you can't quit smoking, you need just to replace the habit is gonna work for.
The authors, the researchers on that topic, they are saying you have to change your habit with something new.
Did you change or just quit completely without like replacing to with a new
I
habit,
think I
let's say,
replaced smoking with phone.
with phone?
Yeah. So
I guess it's a good replacement because like you quit smoking 3 years ago, and I guess if you didn't quit smoking, you would still have phone addiction now.
probably, but my phone addiction is not as strong as it used to be. But when I quit smoking, I replaced it with Twitter, with
With
X.
Twitter,
Yeah.
yeah.
So when I wanted, I didn't notice back then,
Yeah.
but when now I'm analyzing what habit replaced the smoking habit, it was the phone. Then
Then
now
it's
I'm
Twitter.
changing the phone habit with something else.